Okay, here's our 12 by 20 passive house workshop. Okay, today we're running a bunch of electrical, and you can see some of the electrical right there. Let me take you a tour of our electrical boxes and how we're running this, okay? Okay, so one of the things that's happening is our line, our junction box, which is our sub panel, hooks up to this on the outside. So I'll show you from the outside, but we're not going to be able to do that until we actually got our siding up. Once our siding is up, we can hook up our junction box, and our wires are right down there, and we'll be able to run two 20 amp breakers and a 15 amp breaker. And then our last line, which is the white one over here, because we run 14 for our lights and 12 for our plugs. This is for our switches, and we'll have a switch box right here, a 4 gain, and what that means is there's going to be 4 outlets in it. One for the shop lights, one for the center ceiling fan, one for an exterior light fixture, and then a separate one for another exterior light fixture that will be over here on this side. We got them stubbed out, ready to go, and everything is custom done. Let me show you another thing that we're doing here. We're doing a 2 stud corner, one here and then one here, and then we're just using leftover scrap for backing for drywall. That way we get optimal installation in each one of these bay cavities without interfering with overall stud as our insulation. Okay, another thing that I want to show you is, if you see that block over there, that's where our drywall is going to be. We're still going to keep this a vaulted ceiling, but we had to make the trusses due to structural, and it was a good idea and a pretty cool looking design. We have a nice 2-foot overhang. We've got our high venting, or low venting for our roof. We'll have our high venting on the ridge. Tomorrow we're going to be setting up all of our low venting down at the bottom for our siding, and we'll do our high venting somewhere up here next to the eave. This is where our electrical sub panel will go. We got one for the plugs, one for the air conditioner, and the white is for our lights. If you look on top of the roof, we do have our Adhero 3000 up there, which is a waterproof, well, vapor barrier membrane that's self-sealing when nails go through it. We'll have a double 48-inch door here into our entrance. We will have 4 30-inch by 36-inch windows at those 2 spots and those 2 spots. We also have a wall air conditioner going in here, and there's our plug for it. It's off a dedicated breaker.